Assalamu alaikum, grade 12. Your experiment is to verify Boyle's law. Boyle's law studied the relationship between volume of a trapped gas here and the pressure of this trapped gas. So here you have a syringe. Here you have a gauge pressure is connected to this syringe and we have air trapped inside. What you're going to do, you're going to play with this plunger. If you can use your mouse, pull it down, okay? Just drag it down. You see here the value of the pressure is changed. Release it. The values here is recorded for you. You can push it up a little bit, release it. Another value has been recorded. Push it more up. Keep changing the trapped volume inside. Once you change the volume of trapped air inside, the pressure as well will be changed, and each time the values will be recorded here. All you need to do is take all of these measurements and write them here in your lab report. Here. Okay, you write them here. You have the pressure in PCI. You have to convert it to atmospheric pressure. After that, you open Excel. Go to Excel sheet. I want you to draw two things. Draw a relationship between pressure and volume, and a relationship between pressure and 1 over volume. Right. How we're going to do that? Select here, this is my table. Select it. Select your numbers and go to Insert, Chart, use Scatter. Right-click on any of these points and select Data, Edit. I need pressure versus volume, pressure versus volume. I need X-axis to be my volume. Y-axis is the pressure. Click OK. OK. I want as well add a trend line. Add a trend line. I want the best line fit of my data is not linear because I know the relationship is not linear. It could be logarithmic or it could be power. You see, this is the best line fit. I keep power. I go down. I can display the equation on my data. So, what else I can do? I can add chart element. You see here, add chart element, or I can go here. I have here a plus sign. I can click on this one. I want title of my axis. I want to display error bar. Okay. I can write here, we said x-axis is what? It's the volume. This is my x-axis. I have to write the unit. The unit is milliliter. Here, y-axis is the pressure. So here I write pressure, and unit is ATM. That's it. This is the first graph. Second graph, I need a relationship between pressure and 1 over V, and I want this graph to start from 0. So I will add here 0, 0, and I want a relationship between pressure and 1 over V. How I'm going to do that? Click equal 1 over V is this value. Just click on it. Click enter. Go back to this value. You see this small square here at the corner. Drag it all the way down. Excel already calculated all the values for me, 1 over V. I don't need to calculate them. And as I did here, select one column, click enter, insert, chart, scatter, choose any point, right-click, select data, click edit. I need pressure versus 1 over V. What do I mean? What do I need x-axis? X-axis, I wanted 1 over V. Y-axis, I wanted to be my pressure. Okay. Okay, so here you have 2-point, and you do the same thing, right-click, add a trend line. It's linear because I know it's linear relationship. I display the equation, you can set the equation, etc. That's it for your lab report. I want you, after you do all of this, to comment on each graph. You can name this graph, graph 1, this graph, graph 2. Comment on each graph, like what is the relation between pressure and volume? Does this simulation or experiment you've done verify Boyle's law? How? If I give you a value between 20 and 30, any value here in the graph, can you find the value of, for example, 25 from the graph? How? Choose any value and show me how. Okay? And why the relation between P versus 1 over V linear, while the relation between pressure and volume nonlinear? Explain all of this in your lab report. That's it.